Hi, my name is Tilek. I'm a student at 42 Heilbronn, and for the past 6 months I've been working as an intern at Mann+Hummel, one of the world's leading filtration companies. My role was in the data science and AI solutions team, where I work on developing AI assistants for an internal platform called the Marketplace. Let me walk you through the company, my team, and what I built. Agenda. About Mann+Hummel. Mann+Hummel was founded in 1941 in Ludwigsburg, Germany by Adolf Mann and Dr. Erich Hummel. It started with fabric air filters, and today, over 80 years later, it's one of the global market leaders in filtration technology. To give you a sense of scale, the company has over 21,000 employees, more than 80 locations on 6 continents, and generates 4.5 billion euros in annual turnover. It's a large global industrial company, but still family-owned. Mann+Hummel also has 4 digital hubs around the world in the North America, Europe, and Asia. I worked within the Heilbronn hub, collaborating closely with the main data team based in Singapore. GDA team and Marketplace. My team is called GDA, that stands for Global Data Analytics. It focuses on data and AI solutions for the entire company. In Germany, our team was small, my mentor Lucas, another 42 intern Arda, and myself. The rest of the team is in Singapore, so we worked across time zones daily. The main product I worked on is the Marketplace. It's the Mann+Hummel's internal platform for data insights, dashboards, and AI-powered tools. Think of it as a central hub where employees across the company can access different AI assistants, each designed for a specific business need. And here you can see the actual platform. On the left is the tech stack. It's a Next.js application built with React and TypeScript, connected to the OpenAI API, running on Microsoft Azure with Snowflake for data and AWS for document storage. This is the environment I coded in every day. My role and responsibilities. My responsibilities covered a wide range. I improved AI assistants' behavior through prompt engineering and testing. I moved prototypes into the production platform. I built new assistants from scratch. I worked on integrations with databases and external tools. And I helped design the logic that controls which users see which documents. AI assistants I worked on. Over 6 months, I worked on 8 AI assistants. 3 of them are already in production and used by employees across the company. The other 5 are still in development. My contributions range from testing and prompt engineering to full implementation and system integration. Let me highlight 2 of the most interesting ones. The first one is the Mann+Hummel ChatGPT, the company's general-purpose AI assistant. My job was to make it more reliable. I tested edge cases, found incorrect answers and inconsistent behavior, and then refined the system prompt to fix those issues. This taught me that building a good AI assistant is not just about the model, it's about careful testing and continuous improvement. The second one, and the one that I'm most proud of, is the Jira Assistant. This is an AI assistant that can actually read, search, and interact with Jira issues through natural language. What makes it special is that's the first tool on our marketplace to use MCP, the Model Context Protocol, which allows the AI to call external tools directly. Here is the architecture I built. The user talks to the marketplace, which sends the request to an OpenAI assistant. When the assistant needs Jira data, it calls my tool wrappers, which I optimize for token efficiency. Then my MCP client, which I built from scratch in TypeScript, connects to the Atlassian MCP server and retrieves the actual Jira data. I designed and implemented this entire pipeline end-to-end. Challenges and solutions. Of course, there were challenges. AI assistants sometimes give wrong answers. I solved that through systematic testing and prompt refinement. Retrieving the right information from multiple databases required careful architecture design. And for the Jira assistant, making the tool calls efficient was critical to keep costs and response times low. Each challenge pushed me to think more like an engineer and less like a student. Conclusion. So here's my takeaway. I joined Mann+Hummel as an intern. Over 6 months, I shipped production tools that are used by thousands of employees. I built systems from scratch, integrated complex data pipelines, and took full ownership of features end-to-end. This internship proved to me and to the company that 42 students can deliver real impact from day one. Thank you for watching.